Hi everyone, it's Karen. I'm back with another Christmas project, and today I'm playing with the Baubles 2 mold from IOD. I've already poured 3 castings using amazing casting resin in white, and they're all ready to clam up. I'm starting with Fusion Victorian lace mixed with a bit of salt wash, and I'm turning it into a thick paste so I can paint the bubbles and get that gorgeous textured effect. I'm just using an old paintbrush to dab the mixture onto the ornaments until I'm happy with the texture. The salt wash mixed with the Victorian lace is completely dry, and I'm ready to mix the anthracite art mica powder to create a paint. Normally I'd use Pentart pigment fix, but I'm out, so I'm using Fusion Tough Coat instead, which works perfectly too. Everything's mixed well, so I'm giving all 3 ornaments a full coat of this metallic paint mixture. The paint is dry, and to add a bit of aging, I'm using Pentart's antiquing gel in white, and once again wiping back the excess with a paper towel. I'm happy with the look of the base coat, and it's completely dry, and I'm now ready to add the patina. I'm using Pentart's patina paint set. It comes with 5 colors, and I'm going to layer the colors one by one, letting each coat dry and building up the patina until I'm happy. There's no right or wrong here. You can totally feel free to play around and use more or less of whatever shade you like. Once that's done, I'm mixing up antique gold pigment powder to paint the frame of the heart and the ornament caps of the baubles. Again, I'm just using Fusion's Tough Coat for that. Well, the paint is dry, but I cannot go without giving it the same aged effect, so I'll go ahead and use the Pentart Antiquing Gel in black. I brush it on and wipe it back with a paper towel and a wet wipe. I love how it turned out and I hope you like it too. Drop me a comment and let me know. See you in the next one.